Welcome to our exciting mini project. Today we are building a complete contact book application from scratch using Python dictionaries. This isn't just theory, we're creating a real, functional app that can store, search, update, and manage contact information. You'll see how dictionaries power modern applications and learn practical programming patterns. By the end, you'll have a working contact book and the skills to build similar projects. Let's start by understanding what we're building and what features our contact book will have. Our contact book will be feature complete with adding contacts, searching by name or phone, displaying all contacts, updating information, safe deletion, file persistence for data saving, and a polished user interface with proper error handling. This covers all the essentials of a real-world application. Before writing code, let's plan our data structure. Good planning leads to clean, maintainable code. Each contact will be a dictionary with personal details like name, phone, email, and address. We'll store all contacts in a main dictionary using names as keys for fast lookups. This nested structure gives us flexibility in performance. Here's our planned data structure. Each contact is a dictionary with all relevant information. We use a main dictionary with normalized names as keys for instant access. This design is scalable, flexible, and follows dictionary best practices. Let's start coding. We'll begin with the basic structure and helper functions. Our contact book class provides the foundation with initialization, name normalization for consistent keys, and will include file persistence methods. The normalize_name function ensures we can find contacts regardless of how users type the name. Load and save methods handle data persistence using JSON format. They include proper error handling to ensure the application remains stable even if file operations fail. Now let's implement the core functionality to add new contacts with proper validation. The add_contact method includes comprehensive validation, checking for required name, preventing duplicates with user confirmation, and automatically saving after each addition. This ensures data integrity and good user experience. Search functionality is crucial for any contact book. Let's implement flexible search options. Our search system supports multiple search types, by name, phone, email, or across all fields. It handles phone number formatting differences and provides case-insensitive matching for flexible and user-friendly searches. Good presentation matters. Let's create an attractive display system and user menu. Our display contact method creates beautiful formatted boxes with borders, uses emojis for visual appeal, handles optional fields gracefully, and maintains consistent formatting throughout. Here's how our contact display looks: a clean, professional format with clear visual separation and easy-to-read information. The menu system provides clear numbered options with emoji icons, logical organization of functions, and easy navigation for users. This is how our menu appears to users: clean, organized, and intuitive. Each option has a clear number and descriptive icon to guide user interaction. Let's see how all the pieces fit together in our complete contact book application. Here's how our contact book looks in action. Users see a clean menu interface, can add contacts with validation, search efficiently, and view beautifully formatted results. The application handles all the complexity behind a simple, intuitive interface. This project demonstrates numerous important programming concepts and best practices. Our contact book demonstrates dictionary mastery, object-oriented design, file persistence, input validation, user interface creation, string processing, search implementation, and error handling. These are fundamental skills that apply to many software projects. Our contact book is fully functional, but there's always room for enhancement. Extensions could include contact photos, various import, export formats, birthday tracking, contact grouping, advanced search filters, graphical interfaces, database backends, email integration, and even mobile app versions. Each extension teaches new programming concepts. Let's review the valuable skills and knowledge you've gained from this project. You've mastered dictionaries in practice, learned object-oriented programming, implemented file persistence, created robust user interfaces, and built a complete application from scratch. These skills transfer directly to web development, data science, automation, and software engineering careers. This contact book project opens doors to exciting opportunities. Here's where you can go next. Your contact book skills translate to web development with Flask and Django, desktop applications with GUI frameworks, mobile development, and database systems. Each path builds on your foundation, offering exciting career opportunities. Congratulations! You've successfully built a complete, professional quality contact book application. You've created a complete application with professional features and applied best practices. This project demonstrates real-world programming skills that employers value. Share your creation, add unique features, apply these skills to new challenges, and build your programming portfolio with confidence. Your contact book project is complete. You've demonstrated mastery of dictionaries, object-oriented programming, file handling, user interfaces, and software design. These are the building blocks of professional software development. Keep building, keep experimenting, and keep pushing boundaries. The programming world is full of opportunities, and you now have the skills to seize them. Your next great project awaits. Happy coding, and see you in the next adventure.